Let's go. We live. We live. We live. We live.
You've got a great
Analytics over here. Analytics. Boom. What's up? What's up, my people? We are live. We are ready to make some money today, guys. Ready to make some money today, guys. Let's go. Come on. Let's get some hype in the chat right now. Get some W's going right now in the chat. We are live. We are ready to make some big blues today, of course, guys. Let us do this, guys. Let's go. Come on. What's up, Shakir? What's up, Matete? What's up, Brandon John Hall? What's up, Axa? Letele. What do you say? Bro, I'm happy, bro. We caught this beautiful buy over here on gold. From here, we've got it up until this high over here. So absolutely beautiful. We made some big money for the day already, bro, without even being on the stream. Just from the VIP signal group alone, I made about 6,000 rand, guys. So I'm very happy so far. But I'm looking to make 10k today, guys. So I want to make an extra 4k with you guys here in the stream. So let's do it, guys. Let's do it. To join. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, guys. I want to see you guys get some hype right now in the chat. I think it's too far from the mic. The mic can't go any closer to me, bro, because that's how short the cable is, bro. So I can't really get the mic any closer to me, my bro. But yeah, bro, that's just that. But I will try and speak a bit louder. Can you guys hear me now? Hello, hello, testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Can you guys hear me now or not? Hello, hello, hello. There we go. Now I'm sure you guys can hear me crispy clear. Let's go first. Let's go, Amir Mohammed. Let's go, bro. Are you in the VIP group or are you just here on the stream, bro? How is it your first trade, bro? What do you mean your first trade? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this, man. I'm excited for the stream right now. I am excited for the stream right now. We're about to make some big blues. Let's go. Quarter signal made 280. Let's go, Brandon. Amazing work, bro. Amazing work, Brandon. Let's go. I'm in the VIP. Amazing. Perfect. 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 Shall we? Okay, perfect. As long as you guys can hear me clearly, then that's all good, bro. Let's go. XAU Gold. Let's go, bro. Do you recommend a ZAR or USD Finder account? I would say ZAR, bro. It's easier to track on a ZAR account, bro. It's easier for me to personally to track and say, okay, I made this much or I made this much or whatever it may be, bro. Just easier for me personally. But yeah, just hit TP. Amazing, bro. Can we turn our funded? Yes, of course, bro. You can turn your funded account. Of course, bro. Of course, of course. What's up, Abdul Kadir? Let's do this, man. I think there might be news. Let me actually go and check here for you guys if there's news. 1 second. Investing.com. Let's go over here. Investing.com. There we go. Right. Let's see. So we do have existing home sales only in 53 minutes. So only at 4 o'clock do we actually have news, guys. We only have news at 4 o'clock, which is actually the existing home sales you can see over there. So there's no news. So yeah. Bro, that guy is Shaquille. What you mean, Jamal? What you mean, bro? What do you mean? Let me know what you mean, bro. Yeah, there's no news today, guys. So we are chilling on that end. But yeah, let me get over here into the charts. Is New York? No, bro. New York is no longer at 4 o'clock. It's now at 3 o'clock because the NY Open is actually moved 1 hour earlier. So that's why, of course, we are going to be streaming 1 hour earlier as well, guys. Because, of course, we can't be streaming NY Open when NY Opens at 3:30, but the stream starts at 4 o'clock. You get me? So that's why now we moved it a bit earlier. So the streams now will be from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m., bro. That will be the new times for the streams, guys, for the NYSE Open. Perfect. But without further ado, let's get straight into this analysis here on gold. We can see, first of all, we have this level over here. Let me just not make this here. I want to make it a full line, bro. Style. Make it okay, make it like that there. Right. That's our level of resistance over there that we had. We then have a level of support down there. Let me take away this here. Easier to see. Right, so we have a level of resistance over there. You see, we just broke above the level of resistance right now. I have a level of support down there. We also have another level of support down here, which I actually caught my buy from. So earlier in the VIP signal group, I caught my buy from this area over here. Because if you look on the lower time frames, you can see what happened, right? It came back to this area over here. That's why I bought from there. So my signal was something like this here, where we bought. Where was it? I think it was over here actually. Yeah, we bought somewhere over there with SL below there. And I would take profit at the high. And we actually hit TP very, very nicely, guys. So yeah, that's how we caught the trade over there. Let's see what the chat is saying over here. Made 5k from the gold trade yesterday, bro. Amazing, amazing, amazing. What's up, Sifiso? And I open up a 3 exactly, bro. We had a fun morning live. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, exactly. Daylight saving is over, so that's why now we are having the streams earlier by 1 hour, guys. Are we going to trade CPI live tomorrow? It's at no. So if it's at 2:30, then of course the live only starts at 3 o'clock. So we won't trade it live. Does that mean that the market closed at 11 o'clock? Yes, exactly. But the market is now closed at 11 o'clock at night and open up at 12 o'clock at midnight, bro. London will stay the same. So the London session will stay the same. It will still be from 10 till 11. But then now only the NY Open session will move from 4 o'clock to 3 o'clock. So 1 hour earlier, guys. 1 hour earlier. We need a breakout. Gold has been ranging. Yeah, so I do see now it's actually approached 5200 right now, which is obviously good because it broke above this level of resistance we had over there, right? So these lines over here are my levels of support and resistance. This is how I draw it now. It's a bit easier and a bit more clean to see. At the body of the candle, it's a bit more easier and less confusion with the blocks and that kind of stuff. So yeah. Can we buy now? No, 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 no. In a meeting watching this forgot open. Let's go, Jared. Amazing, 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 bro. Can trade any news on a classic account? Yes, you can trade news on a classic account. You can, bro. You can. So will you trade VI? Will you trade CPI? No, I will not trade CPI, bro. I might trade with my VIP signal group, but not with the stream. So 1 a.m. trades are now at 12 a.m. exactly. So I'm going to actually update the 1 a.m. strategy and just basically say it's going to be now at 12 a.m. because it still applies for the Asian market open. It's just now obviously going to be 1 hour earlier, bro. Was you at the Westwood Saxon Fair this weekend? I was, bro. I was actually there. Did you see me there, bro? You should have come up and greeted me, bro. You should have come up to greet me, bro. London session changes on 29 March. Possibly, bro. Possibly. NY Open is 2 p.m. No, it's not, bro. NYSE opens at 3:30, bro. Will you be giving us the direction for CPI and the VIP? Yes, I will give you guys an explanation of exactly what CPI might do. And then you can decide if you want to take a trade or not, bro. What's up, Idris? Wa alaikum salam. How are you, bro? We are not long on gold as yet. I took this trade here with my group earlier. I'm just showing you why I took the trade because of the level of support we had down here. It bounced off a level of support, so that's why we took this buy over here. Just giving you guys some knowledge for free on exactly how I caught the trade and why I actually took the trade. And you can see it actually came to TP, hit take profit, and then came back down and hit our SL at entry and then went even further up, bro. So yeah. NY Open is 2 p.m. based on Forex Factory. For us, NYSE Open is at 3:30, bro. Need I hit a Vapor next time? I will actually, bro. I do want to go to Vapor Cafe. Bro. It was just that I was there just for like a few days, just to pick up my car and just like chill for the weekend in a nice little hotel. And then it's a bit difficult to go and eat out, especially now because it is Ramadan. So that's also the thing, bro. Let's see what you say over here. It says, I'm suspecting price is going to hit the middle resistance and then buy from there. Hopefully, bro. If you can come here, this would be a nice entry for a buy over here with SL below this low. And then, of course, take profits all the way above there, bro. Caught the trade with US. Amazing, bro. Amazing. Scored nicely earlier. Lovely stuff, bro. Amazing, bro. Yeah, I was not sure if it was you. How's the car? The car's moving amazing, bro. Alhamdulillah, the car is moving absolutely beautiful, bro. TBN got 2 minutes. I agree, bro. TBN got 2 minutes, bro. My bro.
What's happening?
Good.
On the
Yeah,
stream.
of course,
Hey, what's happening?
What's good?
What's up? Guys?
Maps in the building, of course.
What's up?
To chop
What's
it up
happening?
one time, bro.
What's happening?
When's the new car reveal? Not sure, bro. Not too sure, actually.
When you cook here.
Not too
When
sure.
you cook outside.
Is gold gonna buy or sell at 330? Not too sure, bro. We don't do that of buy or sell at 330. We just don't gamble. We wait for it to give us a proper setup and then take our trade based off of that, guys. IBS, yes sir. Maps in the building, bro. Maps in the building. They're cooking up something crazy there with RCG, bro. I don't like you. RCG market's cooking up something crazy. Waiting to meet you in process, bro. What you mean, bro? What do you mean you want to meet me in the process, bro? Almost at 7k subs, of course, bro. Almost at 7k subs. Don't forget to also leave a like on the stream, guys. We're at 50 likes by 250 viewers. Come on now. I know we can get there, bro. I list for a thick toasted steak. Same, bro. I saw you at the towers at Wits. Yeah, bro. I am at Wits quite often to go see my friends and just chill because, I mean, I took a trade here at 1 o'clock, made 6k. I'm done, bro. So, like, that's the thing, bro. Like, life is chilled. So, yeah, man. Can you move close to the mic? I can, bro. Is this better? Let me know if this is better, guys. I'll have to just sit forward because let me see if this chair can actually move forward, bro. Can this chair move forward or not? Nah, this chair can't actually move forward, so I'm gonna have to just sit close to the mic like that, basically. Sorry, brother, I'm in person. Okay, I see, bro. Now we will meet in person very soon, guys. We're gonna actually have a seminar very soon in Joburg. So yeah, 10k subs needs a good discount, of course, bro. 10k subs, you'll get a very good discount, bro. 100%, bro, of course. Do you guys play Tani? I can play Tani, but I don't play now anymore. But I did used to play when I was in Wits, bro. I did, bro. I did. Your energy different from the other traders, of course, bro. You have to just be chilled, have good vibes, and just chill, bro. Made 6k with what margin? So I have 100k in my live account, and I used 0.85 lots, I think it was. No. 0.45. Because I had 0.05 trades open, bro. So yeah. Do you have a degree? No, I don't, bro. My degree is in the charts. Bro. That's my degree right there. In the charts, broski. That's my degree right there. Let's go. Is your phone charged? Yes, sir. My phone is okay. Nah, it's not. It's on 38% only. Okay? 38% charged. The iPhone 17 Pro. Yeah. Sorry, my bad. I don't want to flex, bro. How old are you? I am 22 years old, bro. I'm still very young. 22 years old, bro. When are you gonna come to Cape Town after Ramadan? After I'm done fasting, bro, I'm gonna come to Cape Town just for like a week, just to go chill, bro. Book a nice villa over there, get a nice car. I will be honest, I will rent the car. I will rent the car when I'm in Durban. When I'm in Cape Town, because I'm not gonna drive my car down. What's it called? Like 12 hours, bro. It's difficult to drive to Durban, only 5 hours away. Imagine now I must drive 10 hours to Cape Town. Madness, bro. I'm not doing that. I'll fly for 1 hour, get there and rent the car. It's better, bro. Just got in. Are we gonna buy or sell? Nothing is yet, bro. We're waiting for the market to give us a setup. A good setup would be for it to come back to this area over here and then have a possible buy from there, bro. That there would be a decent thingy, bro. Let me actually just do this here. We have to actually move this, guys. Man. Okay, that's better. Okay, it's fine. I was trying to like move the charts a bit so that we can like just see the thing a bit better, the price. But I can't seem to do it. I don't want to mess up the stream, of course. So I'll just leave it and not tamper with it and just leave it basically. Okay, yeah, it's fine. I'll just tell you guys the prices of what we're looking at, guys. Don't stress. Okay, so yeah, gold's still moving up a lot, bro. Gold is still flying up. We need it for it to come back to retest, guys. We need it to come back to retest over there, guys. We need it to come back to retest over there. Yeah, I think that's better. Or like that there, maybe. Now then I can't see, hello? Okay, it's fine. There we go. Yeah, but we need to come back to retest, guys. You can see right now, just flying all the way up right now. Our trade here would have been in some massive blues if we never got taken out here at entry, guys. That's crazy, actually. Wow. Damn. That's a madness, bro. But like I said, we need to come back to retest this area over here. This level of broken resistance turn into support, we need to come back to retest over there so we can look for a possible buy. We can't just buy because it's going up so much. Yes, it's going up a lot, but we need to get to a certain level to then react off that level to look for a possible entry, guys. Let's see over here as well, the level of resistance over there, right? Level over there, there's a level over there, there's a level up top here as well you can put over there, right? And of course a level all the way up top over there, right? So these are our levels over here. So we could be targeting to go all the way up here. It's a very big range for it to go up to, so hopefully it can first come down, give us an entry, and then go up. Hopefully, guys, hopefully. Gold leaving us. I do agree gold might be leaving us, but if it does leave us, it's perfectly fine, bro. It's perfectly fine. Let's see what you say over here. What car is a good first car in your opinion? I would say like something that's not too expensive, bro. Especially if you're just starting off in trading or in business. Don't go and get a crazy car just to impress people, right? Get a car that's going to serve your purpose of getting from point A to point B to make more money, right? And then once, of course, you have a very sustainable income and a very big income, then you can go and get whatever car you want, bro. Get a BMW, get a Audi, whatever you want, bro. But yeah, gold flying, I see, bro. Can you possibly organize a discount in the Flash account? I will try to. I'll ask the boss if we can and see what we can do, bro. So what are you expecting on gold since it broke out? I want it to first come down, guys, to retest. I want it to first come down to retest over here, reject, enter, and then look for a buy like this here to go all the way up to here. This is what I would ideally want, guys. We can't just buy right now. It's in the middle of our zones, so we cannot just buy right now. We need to first come down to a level to retest and then look for buys, guys. If you drive to Cape Town, you'll put money. Exactly, bro. You put in way too much of money on the car. It's just not worth it, bro. How you learn to trade? I learn by myself, bro. I have my own strategies, my own trading technique. I learned by myself, bro. I learned by myself, broski. Let me get this here sent out over here. 1 second, 1 second. 1 second. Go to margin call. Hey guys. Perfecto, perfecto. Let's go. Okay. What lot size do you recommend for a 50k Comit account? I would say 0.01, bro. 0.01, broski. Can you withdraw from Space Markets every day with a yes, bro? So Space Markets is a broker. You can withdraw every single day from them. So there's no rules of withdrawing on Space Markets, bro. You can make a profit and withdraw. Simple. So yeah. We won't chase the markets exactly, Brandon. We will not chase the markets at all, bro. At all. Alex is not here, bro. I think he's a bit sick today. So that's why he's not actually in the office, but he's a bit sick. That's why he's not in the office. But yeah. Stuff one, the real god. I appreciate you, bro. So with this daylight saving, is everything 1 hour earlier? Yes, it is, bro. Everything's 1 hour earlier. We have NY open now at 3:30. We have the market close at 11 o'clock. Open up at 12 o'clock. Everything is open, bro. What's up, Marcelino FX, bro? Hope you doing well, my bro. You can see over here, we just looking for a trade right now on gold. I got that trade earlier with my signal group. Very nice trade over there. But now it looks like gold's low-key leaving me. But I do want it to first come down to retest this area over here. Have a retest, have a rejection, enter, and then look for buys from there. I'm on XNet, should I switch? Yes, bro, definitely, bro. Come over to Space Market, bro. The biggest and the best, bro, of course. Are we trading gold on Friday? Yes, of course, bro. We trade every single day. We are not scared of anything, bro. We trade every single day and we see what happens, bro. If you know the markets are going to drop for a retest, why not place a sell till then? Because we are not 100% confirmed that it's going to come down. It could just continue to sell up. It could just continue to buy all the way up, bro. This here is what I want to happen. I want to see it come down. So if it does come down, that would be good. If it doesn't, it will just continue going all the way up. So yeah. If it retests, do you then enter on the middle with point? I'm not sure, bro. I'm not sure, bro. I'm not sure. I'm not sure at all. It is. We wait for it to first come down. Wait for it to first come down over here, and then look for a buy. And then look for a buy. So yeah. Hey, just 1 second, guys. Just 1 second. Sorry about that, my people. I was on a small call over there. Sorry about that. But yeah, you can see it is going up right now. Let's see over here. What is that price you're waiting? I'm waiting for it to get to 5190, bro. 5190. I don't know if this here can actually show me the price, because with this stream over here, like the thing is cut off the end part of TradingView, so you can't really see it properly. So to use the fib tool, I don't personally use the fib tool, but I know that Marcelino does actually use it. So Marcy over here does actually use the fib tool. Me personally, I don't use the fib tool, bro. I don't. He doesn't know it already. Exactly. I'm not confirmed that it's going to retest. I want it to retest. If it does, then it's good. If it doesn't, then it's all good. So yeah. I don't know. I'm 21, still studying, thinking about spending 400k on a car. Personally, bro, I would say don't do it if you're still studying. I mean, if you do have more funds, then do it. If it's your last 400k, then don't do it. But yeah, bro. Yeah, that's basically that, bro. Let's see over here. How did you start trading, and how long did it take for you to understand everything and become? It took me about 2.5 years, bro. 2.5 years to become profitable. Exactly, Marcelino. We're planning something crazy, bro. Absolutely crazy, broski. I won't lie to you right now. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely insane, bro. IBS, did you buy at that price? No, I'm not sure if you bought or if you sold. Let us know, IBS, if you bought or sold at that price, bro. What did you do, bro? Did you buy or sell at that price? Let us know, bro. Let us know. Exactly, you can't buy now, bro. The move is massive, but we can't buy it. It left us, so we are going to respect it and not just enter, guys. We're not going to just enter. We're not going to just enter, bro. We are not. At all. We are not going to enter at all right now. We're going to wait and we're going to be patient, guys. So if the market does not retest and continue to fly up, what trade will be placed in? So then we're going to wait for some more market structure to form. We're going to wait for more market structure to form. So if it doesn't come down all the way, then we'll wait for it to come down like this here, form some structure, so something like this here, guys. Let me delete this here and show you. So like this here, it will basically hopefully come down, form some structure like this here, give us a nice engulfing candle, then buy from there. So wait for it to form structure and then enter from there. So yeah, that's basically what is going to happen, guys. That is what is going to happen right there. It's my first 400k, and it is, bro. I mean, if it's your first 400k, I would say it's very unwise. I mean, take it from me, bro. I promise you, wallah, bro, I have literally blown millions of rands because I was stupid. I was only like 19, 20 years old, and I was seeing all this big money coming in from trading, and I just spent recklessly, bro. So don't do the same thing, bro. Take it from me, bro. I want to help you out and like give you a bit of advice from my side, and don't do it, bro. So yeah, let's wait, bro. Let's wait. NYSE open might pull it down. Hopefully it does. Give us an entry, and then we look to take a buy from there, guys. But yeah, let's see over here. What's a decent amount to deposit when shifting from prop firm? I would say at least between 100 to 200k, bro. At least 100 to 200k, bro. Bro, I came out too early. I was in at 5173. That's crazy, bro. 5173 is down there, bro. And you came out at 87. You could have held all the way up for huge blue, bro. Madness, bro. I mean, you can make yourself happy and spend it, bro. But like, if you're looking to build wealth over the long term, like for the future, then I would say don't do it. But if you want just like a quick fix for, you know, enjoyment, then go for it, bro. Definitely. Your strat with your previous trade. How did you find your SL? I'll tell you now how I actually found my SL. So I just put it below the 5-minute candle, bro. For the previous trade, just below the 5-minute candle. Below the 5-minute candle, bro. Literally. Just below the 5-minute candle. Essentially. So, yeah. That's how I got it, bro. Okay, perfect. Yeah, it is flying, but you can see now it's actually rejected now quite nicely as well. So, yeah. Do you think 800 Rand enough for a live account? No, I don't, bro. It's very, very small. It's too small, bro. Can you sell now? No, you cannot. No, you cannot, bro. We are waiting for a setup to form, guys. Waiting for a setup to form, guys. Waiting for a setup to form. Wealth, bro. We live in a third world country where our country is weak. It doesn't matter, bro. That it doesn't mean that because we live in a third world country that you don't have that you can't be wealthy. I mean, look at the people that live here, bro. They have crazy cars, they have crazy houses, crazy businesses. Just because we live in South Africa, which is actually not even a third world country, bro. It's not a third world country at all. I mean, look at the infrastructure that we have. Look at the amount of trade we do with other countries, the amount of influence we have within other countries as well. I don't think we are a third world country, bro. Definitely not. I don't think we are a third world country at all, bro. Can you guys hear me? Hello, hello? Let me know. Can you guys hear me? Testing 1, 2. Can you guys hear me? I see Tatiana says that you can't hear me. Can you guys hear me? Let me know. Minimum deposit for live account, I would say at least between like 2 to 5k. 2 to 5k is up. Yes, we can. Okay, perfect. So, yeah, amazing. So, yeah, like I was saying, I don't think we are a third world country. If we were a third world country, then everyone or most people here would be in poverty, bro. But, I mean, so yeah. Perfecto, perfecto. So, yeah, now you can see gold's coming down a little bit now. Gold is coming down a bit right now. So let's see. Hopefully, it can give us a nice market structure, form nicely. Yes, this is market open, guys. So let's also go over to a different pair. Let's go to US30 and see what we can see here on US30. US30 on a 30-minute time frame. Let's see what is it we can actually do over here. Right. US30 level of support down here, of course. Level of resistance up top there. Like that. Another level of resistance up top here, of course. So this here is now our levels of support and resistance. And I see you guys are asking here, how can you join the VIP signal group? So with the VIP signal group, what you can do to join is my Instagram link is in the description below. You can click on the Instagram link and send me a DM, and then you can actually join from there, guys. You can join from there, bro. Yeah, it's only $300 for a month. If you want to join, you can join. If not, it's perfectly fine, bro. Bro, I just registered with Space Markets using your link. I'm waiting for my payout from Fund the Next. Fund 10k. Perfect, bro. Perfect, bro. Perfect. Space Markets won't give you any problem with your withdrawals. Just obviously you aren't allowed to like aggressively scalp. So don't go and take like a 5-lot buy on gold and close within 5 seconds. That's obviously crazy scalping, so don't do that, of course. But yeah, bro, should be all good. I mean, I've never had a payout rejected from Space Markets. So yeah, bro, on a 10k real account, what lot size? I would say 0.05 for about 2 trades, bro. 0.05 for 2 trades. Let's see over here. US30. Yeah, so US30 right now is actually bouncing up from a level of support. It's at a level of resistance now. So what you have to do on the lower time frame, wait for it to either break above the level, retest, and then buy from there, or wait for it to come down, reject, and then look for a buy from there. So this here could be what US30 wants to do. Let's see. That is US30 over there. Let's go over to NAS 100, of course, and let's see what we can see over here. Taking my drawings over there, and very similar setup once again, guys. Level of support down there, right? Level of resistance right there, right? Level of resistance over there as well. It actually broke above there right now. and it's actually rejecting right now. So what we could see on Nasdaq is if it does come all the way down and close below this line, a retest and a possible sell-off from there. That's what we could see on gold. I'm sorry, on NAS 100, guys. NAS 100. But yeah, let's go back over to gold. I see you guys saying gold dropping. Yes, I see gold is dropping right now quite nicely. Let's wait for it to get to, oh, even here. It could get to either this area, right? There's also a level of support, or it could get to this area over here. So I'm going to monitor it very, very carefully when it gets to here. If it breaks below here, then my next target will be for it to bounce from here. So that is what we'll do, bro. Are you looking for a trade? Yes, I'm looking for a trade, bro. I'm looking for a trade. What about on a 5k funded? 0.01. 0.01, bro. 5k funded is very small as well, so use a small lot size, bro. Small lot size, guys. Perfecto, perfecto. Let's go, gold. Come on, man. Give us something. Give us something, bro. Maybe 5202. 5205. Not from what I'm seeing, bro. Not from what I'm seeing. How many lots for what, bro? How many lots for what? What do you mean, bro? How many lots for what, my bro? I see you say over here, Idris. 0.01 on a 5k. I would say like 3 or 4, bro. 3 or 4 0.01 is decent, bro. Can I trade with 100 rand? No, you cannot, bro. 100 rand is way too small, bro. Way too small. Lot size for 100k dollar phase 2 last 1%, then I pass. I would say use a small lot size, then like a 0.05, because you are almost past. You obviously don't want to now lose any money, so use a small lot size, bro. US 30 doing that. Nasdaq did not close like that, so that's not out the picture. So yeah, nothing on Nasdaq yet. You can see a very big rejection there, which means that the markets are not showing what it wants to do. 500 rand also, bro, is very, very small, bro. I would not trade with 500. That's very, very small, bro. Genuinely, it's very, very small. It's very, very small, bro. 0.5 lot size, then go for it, bro. Go for it, bro. Do you think my account got breached? I accidentally opened a used lot and when the lots were closed up? Possibly, bro. Possibly. That's why you have to make sure before you open up your trade, bro. Your lot size, your SL, everything, bro. Before you open a trade. For CPI, I mean CPI, yeah, you can, because it's like a bit of like a gamble. So yeah, CPI is, yeah. Okay, perfect. Yasir Mohammed 999005. Crazy. What are you doing, bro? That's actually my brother. Yasir Mohammed. Actually my bratucha, my brother. Once he retests, will buy be taken? Yes, bro. If it does retest here at 5190, then I will look for a possible buy, guys. I will look for a possible buy. Where we're looking at gold to close on the 5M around 5190. 5190, guys. This is what we are looking for. 5190. Okay, now you guys can actually see the prices over here, so that's always nice. So yeah, let's go. Bro, so you mark out your support and resistance on the 30-minute time frame? Exactly, bro. On the 30-minute time frame, mark out support and resistance, and then I take my trades from there, bro. We buy at psychological level 5200, possibly as well, bro. For me personally, my level of support is over here at 5190, bro. So yeah, are we buying and selling? Nothing as yet, bro. Nothing as yet. We are waiting, guys. While we wait, we have 300 viewers. Let's make sure that we get up to 100 likes, guys. 100 likes. If you guys don't mind us, tap over there and like. Getting a live trade on gold now. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Perfecto. We aren't buying or selling anything now, guys. How do you know it won't sell after a retest? Because we're waiting for it to get to this area over here, and then it has to have a reaction off of it to show us that it does want to actually buy. So it's not just going to be where it gets there and we buy. No, we're going to wait for it to get to that area over here, and then have a rejection in the form of an engulfing bullish candle, and then look for a buy somewhere over here in this area, bro. So we have to wait for confirmation first, bro. We get in there to 5-1. We are, bro. Slowly but surely, the price is coming down. Hopefully, you can get here soon before the stream ends at about 4 o'clock or so, and then look for a buy from there. So, this is the setup over here. You can see we have our level of resistance broken, turned into support. This here was actually resistance. It now broke above, became support. What we're looking for is a simple breakout, retest, continuation pattern, just like that. That is a simple way, bro. CPI usually follows NFP positive, so that means that gold should buy if it does follow it, bro. Because gold bought for NFP, we smash gold with the buyers for NFP, so that's obviously very nice, bro. What's the entry? There's no entry as yet, bro. The entry level that we wanted to get to is 5190. We wanted to come down from this high over here to retest this area of broken resistance, turn into support, wait for confirmation, and then look for a buy. Take it all the way up until this high over here at 5240. That's what we want, guys. Let's go. 320 views in the chat. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, of course, on the stream. Will help us out a lot, guys. CPI is like a buy. Nothing is yet, bro. We haven't actually analyzed for CPI. We analyzed for CPI and NFP and that kind of stuff on the day, bro. On the day of the news, we actually analyzed, not before that. But yeah, let's get some W's going in the chat right now, my people. 330 viewers. I want to see you guys go absolutely crazy with the W's. Let's get some hype going for gold. We have to hype gold up right now so that gold can actually pay us, guys. That's why we need that now.
You need to pay us.
Exactly, bro. I want to see you guys go absolutely, just spam whatever you want, bro. W anything, bro. Just go crazy with it, my people. Crazy with it.
Spam,
let's go.
Do you know D&D BC FX?
Who's that?
Bro, just drop the B. Just here. Let's see if they actually know. Drop the
baby cakes. Because I saw someone said earlier baby cakes.
Wait, yeah. Look, drop the emojis for BC. Oh, BC, yeah.
Yeah, it's just BC,
BC.
Baby cakes.
There's an emoji for you.
Is there any emoji for baby cakes?
Yeah, there's an emoji for it, bro.
Crazy. Dabulo. Dango.
See the cakes.
Oh, there's the cakes. Ah, the cakes.
So he says like he caught some pups toppings.
Ah, on the cakes.
Yeah,
now I see. Now I understand what you're saying, man. I get you now.
Baby cakes. And you put a baby with cake.
A cake. Ah, I'm a cake. Dango. Dango when I son. Ah, asbonge. Perfect, bro. Let's go. Come on, gold. It's coming down right now. Come down to our level over here. Give us our entry. And we can... Okay, it's gonna fall. Yep, the whole thing fell. Yep, the whole entire sign just fell here next to me. Crazy. There we go. There's the baby cakes. I don't know what it means, but I'll just go with the flow. 3 liquidity levels swept. If you don't hear from me again, it's because I will be retiring in the Bahamas. Crazy, bro. Retiring to the Bahamas, bro. You are crazy with it, man. Crazy with it, bro. That's what you all want to do. We all want to go and retire in the Bahamas, bro. Yes, I will send a signal out, bro. Of course. Of course, bro. Let's go see what US 30 is doing. US 30 is going down. This as well going down. So yeah, nothing as yet. I mean, gold wanted, US 30 wanted to push up and break above here for a possible buy, but that's obviously off the cards. So the next one would possibly be for it to get here and then have a reaction off of here for a possible buy. Does it exist in home sales impact gold? I don't think so, bro. Not as far as I know. Bro. But this could also be a buy from here if it can close bullish. If it can close... What the heck? Hello? The flips. There we go. Perfect. But yeah, let's see. Gold, give us something, man. Give us something to work with. Don't just be Boring. Don't be boring, gold. Come on, man. Let's make some money over here. Check silver. Nah, bro. We don't trade silver over here, bro. I won't lie to you. We don't trade silver because it moves way too fast, bro. And most people trade it with a small account. So a bit of a wrong move on silver and they're going to blow their account very easily, bro. And I don't want that. That's why we just stick to gold, NASDAQ, and US30, bro. That's the three that we stick with, broski. That we stick with, bro. So, yeah. Let's see, man. Come on, gold. Give us something to work with here, bro. Give us a little buy over here, man. A little buy for the boy. Yesterday we smashed it on the live stream and the VIP group. Today just in the VIP group over here. And silver's in the range. Let's go see it out, bro. We can just check out silver. We obviously won't trade silver. We'll just check it out on the higher time frame. So yeah, I do see silver is stuck in the range, bro. Silver is stuck in this range over here, brody. That's crazy, actually. Craziness, brody. What about USA 500? No, bro. I only trade gold personally. Let's see, someone's phoning me here. Hello? Sorry about that. My phone is ringing off the hook today, guys. We're so busy with these new deals and this and that and this. It's just exciting stuff, man. Exciting stuff. That's why we're busy, bro. But yeah, I can't hear you. Yes, I did mute the mic just for my phone call. But I'm back. I'm back. Don't forget. Of course, I will never forget you guys in the VIP group, bro. The VIP group is my baby, bro. Will you not be giving us a signal? Yeah, I will, bro. If there's a trade. If there is a trade, then there'll be a signal. But if there's no trade, then there's no signal. But gold's looking like it's coming down to the area that we wanted to come down right now. So let's see. I thought I went there for a minute. My bad, bro. My bad, broski. What level did you set your TP for? Nothing as of yet. We're still waiting to see if it's going to actually respect this level over here. If it does respect this level over here, then we'll look for buys from here, bro. Watch out. What made you have so much sabr after only making profits in 2.5 years? It was the fact that I knew that you can make money from trading, bro. Like I saw people around me, like I saw my mentors making money. So I said, why can't I make money as well, bro? Like they told me as well that you're going to be losing in the first few months, few years of trading. And you have to just take it on the chin and just continue with it. Like you have to, bro. If you want to actually be a full-time successful trader, you have to push through it, bro. The same thing with every other business. If you want to see success in that business, you have to continue to push through all the trials, all the tribulations. The same thing even with a relationship, bro. Like if you want to marry someone, you aren't going to find a perfect person. No one in the world is perfect. You're going to have to, of course, endure with some hiccups and some bumps here and there in the relationship, in your business, in life, in everything, bro. The same thing with trading as well. You're going to have to endure and encounter those mistakes and those bumps and those speed bumps and errors and losing and blown accounts over and over again for you to actually learn and get better at the skill. That's the only way, bro. You have to learn by failing. That's why I never say, I have a saying, bro. The L is never a loss. The L is a lesson. Even here on the streams now, I've been doing it for 6 years, bro. I'm a full-time trader for 4 years, bro. Even when I lose, I don't take it as a loss. I take it as a lesson to learn. Like last week, bro, we had a loss on Monday, no trade Tuesday, we had a loss on Wednesday. That means 3 days out of the 5 days I lost. That's when I realized I have to take a break for the rest of the week. So from Wednesday, I took no more trades. So I lost on Wednesday. Thursday came, no trades. Friday came, no trades. Saturday came, no trades. Sunday came, no trade, bro. So, yeah. What's the best strategy? I think it's mine, bro. My strategy personally is the best. It works for me beautifully. So, yeah, bro. Do you do mentorship? Yes, I do mentorship, bro. Just send me a DM on Instagram, Telegram, wherever it is, and I'll hook you up with a mentorship course, and you can learn, bro, from me. What's your strategy? It is support and resistance, guys. Support and resistance is my strategy, bro. Gold rejecting, yes, it is rejecting, but it is not closing bullish. I remember we needed a bullish candle closure for a buy because it could just come down. So even if you close like this here with a nice rejection over here, yes, it could go up from it. But for me personally, a higher confluence trade would be for it to close bullish somewhere up top here and then look for a buy. So if we can get a trade or the market can come down from here to this level over here and then have a buy from there, that would be nice. Or if it can close above here. So if this new 5-minute candle now in the next 15 seconds can go and close above this area over here, above this previous 5-minute candle wick, then we could have a possible buy from there, bro. Could have a possible buy from there. But you are right, gold is rejecting quite nicely right now. I would want it to first close bullish before anything, guys. I would want it to first close bullish before anything, guys. Before looking for any buys. Let's see. Yeah, it could just come all the way down on the 5-minute time frame and just like, you know, reject and, you know, cover the entire wick over here. It could do that definitely. So, yeah. Let me know if you guys actually understand what I'm saying, bro. Let me know if you guys understand what I'm saying. Gold rejecting the psychological level. Yes, it is rejecting the psychological level of 5 to 100. But I need more confirmation first. But I'm not going to just enter because I wanted to reject my level of support or resistance first, bro. And then look for a buy from there, broski. So, yeah. Come on, gold. Give us something to work with here. Don't just leave us. Give us a good entry, bro. Give us a good entry right now. Yeah, it's going up right now quite a bit. I won't lie to you. But we will be patient, guys. We don't get FOMO. We never get FOMO. You guys know me, bro, for literally the last 4 months on the streams. We never get FOMO. We never get FOMO. How to know when is the time to buy? So according to support and resistance. So according to the support and resistance, you have to wait for it to get to the level of support, have a rejection from there, then look for a buy, or get to the level of resistance, have a rejection of there for a sell. It's literally just that simple. People overcomplicate trading too much, bro. For me, it's just simple things that have been working for years and making me hundreds of thousands of rands every single month, bro. Literally. So let's see. Can gold actually close above this wick now? If gold can close above this previous bearish 5-minute candle wick, then we'll look for a possible buy, guys. Who is here behind me? Oh, someone behind me over there. Crazy. We're actually the only office here in the Santon building to have a balcony, which is crazy. Crazy work. But yeah. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait 5 more minutes and see if gold's gonna give us any setup here or not. Maps is buying gold now. Perfect, bro. I hope he makes money, bro. I hope he does take profit, bro. Sorry for too many questions about how I know the zones. So I actually just posted a video on my Instagram explaining to you exactly how to get your zones, bro. On my Instagram channel, my Instagram page, FX Killers, I posted a video of exactly how I actually get my levels of support and resistance on the 30-minute time frame. So just go over there, watch the video. It's 100% free on my Instagram. You can just watch it there, learn, and get better at the skill, bro. Did you buy your car purely off trading money? I did indeed, bro. I didn't buy it in cash. I'll be honest, I didn't buy it in cash. I obviously am financing the car because for me personally, there's no need for me to go and spend 650,000 rand on a car when I don't want to keep the car for the rest of my life, right? Like if I'm buying a, like say for example, like a family car, yes, I'll buy that cash because that day I'll probably keep for the rest of my life. But a sports car, I won't keep that car for the rest of my life. I'll go and I'll change the car up. I'll get maybe a M3, a M5, I'll get an RS3. So why would I go and spend 650k on the car cash when I leave the dealership? I lose value, bro. So that's why I decided to go with finance. And also because at the end of the day, bro, I'm a normal human and I wanted to finance it, bro, like normal. I'm gonna also finance my house, finance my car, because why not, bro? I pay it every month. I'm paying a big amount for it because I'm making money to pay for it. So yeah. How long will you be on the stream for? If there's no setup, I'll be on the stream till about 4 o'clock or 10 past 4, bro. And we'll wait for a trade, bro. I just want to say thank you for all of the free knowledge. You're a real one. I got you, bro. I got you, bro. The lady at the back on the call is definitely shouting at her man. Crazy, bro. I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure about that, bro. But maybe. Who knows? I can't hear because these windows here are extremely thick. But you guys are crazy. Pillows. You are crazy, pillows. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But yeah. Let's see. Is gold going to close now above? We have 41 seconds left till gold closes over here. Let's see how gold can close. There might be a trade, bro. We're waiting for you, bro. Please don't leave before you show us a trade. I can't control that, bro. I can't control the markets. I can't, you know, wait for 3 hours for a trade. But I will try and get a trade for us now, bro. I'm waiting. I'm waiting the same way as you guys are also waiting. I'm also waiting. I'm being patient. Not going to rush the trade. We need to close above here. Come on, gold. Close above there. Push up. Close above there. Give us a trade, man. Give us a trade. Come on, gold. Give us a trade. Give us a trade. Okay. So I'm going to go in with buys over here, guys. I'm going to go in with buys over here now. This is a very, very high risk setup right now. Very, very high risk setup right now that we have here on gold. I'm going to enter my buys over here. I'm going to have a very, very small stop loss just below those lows over here. So I've entered my buys right now. My entry is at 5208. 5208. Why is bro's voice good? Bro, I'm really a singer, bro. Like, what? I'm literally a singer, bro. Literally a singer, broski. But yeah, I have entered buy right now, guys. I've entered buys right now on my account. I have entered buys right now. There we go. I've entered buy right now. We're up already about... How many pips is this, bro? 08. We're up already 300 pips right now. We are up 300 pips right now, guys. SL is going to be at 5201. SL is at 5201, guys. 5201 is SL. I'll give out my take profits now in a second. Let me just get my trade set up here. So entry is at 5208. A sniper entry right there. We up already 500 pips, guys. We up 500 pips right now. We are up 500 pips. We up 600 pips now. 600 pips, guys. Take some profit off the board right now. We are sniping this. Absolute sniper. 600 pips up. Take some profits. Take some profits, guys. We are up 600 pips right now. We are flying, guys. We're flying. We're up 700 pips. 700 pips, guys. Flying right now. Sniper entry. Look at this. Sniper entry, bro. Sniper entry right there. So my entry is over here at 5208. SL at 5201. Perfect sniper. Let's actually put our SL to entry now, guys. SL at entry. We are at the level of resistance here. We are up already 700 pips. We are floating deep, guys. Floating deep. 700 pips up, guys. TP1 will be at a 1:1. So TP1 actually got hit already, guys. TP1 got hit already. TP1 hit 700 pips up, guys. If you guys are in right now, I'm on my live account, so I'm going to take some profits off the board right now. I'm moving my SL to entry. We are floating deep, guys. Look at this sniper entry, bro. This is what you call a sniper. Genuinely, this is a sniper, bro. No. This is a crazy sniper, bro. What? This is a insane sniper, bro. How is that for a sniper entry, guys? How is that for a sniper? Where's the TP? My TP1 is actually at here right now, bro. TP1 right now. TP2 is up here, bro. At 5230. 5230 is my TP2. Absolute sniper entry right there, guys. Beautiful. Come on, go. Give us more. We have already hit take profit 1, guys. Take some profit off the board. SL at entry. Take some profit off the board. Make sure you have your SL at entry. Make sure, guys. It could come down from here, so make sure that you guys are obviously protecting your guys' trades, protecting your account. You don't want to obviously lose money, guys. Beautiful sniper. Sniper, literally 1, 2, 3 minutes, guys. 3 minute sniper. I told you I'll get for you a trade before we leave, man. And we hit a nice little 1:1. Look at this. Nice little 1:1 risk to reward ratio there on the trade. Crazy sniper entry, bro. Crazy sniper entry. But my full TP is all the way up there. But I have taken some profit. And I have also moved my SL to entry, guys. So don't be greedy. If you see, it's actually rejecting this area of resistance here. That's why I said take some profit, because we knew it might reject there. So that's why we took some profit off the board. Let's see, are we going to get out at entry here? We might get tapped out at entry. I was on drawing. What you mean, bro? Inspiring story, what you mean? Are you trading the same setup as Maps? Probably. I'm not too sure what his setup is, but probably. But yeah, I'm out now at entry. I am out now at international 1:1 scalp over here. I am out now at entry, guys. I'm out at entry. Very small trade for you guys. I told you guys I will get a trade for you guys. Inspiring story. What do you mean I was on draw? What do you mean, bro? What does that mean? What do you mean you were on draw? What do you mean? What do you mean? I closed at 33 USD profit. Amazing, bro. Amazing. How long do you have to be in a trade for with common capital? 10 minutes. That's why I said that I was just going to take a scalp on my live account, bro. On my live account, I took a scalp. I never took on my funded account. Oh, on your funded account. Amazing, bro. Amazing work. I'm glad you are out of a loss now, bro. Beautiful. We are out now at entry, guys. For me personally, I'm out at entry. I'm out at entry, guys. I got my TP1. I'm out for entry. I'm just type it here. TP1 hit. TP1 hit. TP1 hit, guys. Beautiful. Very small trade there. I was looking just for a quick scalp, and we got a quick scalp, guys. Literally, I wanted a quick scalp, got a quick scalp. TP1 hit, we out, bro. Can we buy again? Nah, I wouldn't, bro. I wouldn't buy again personally, bro. Me personally, I wouldn't buy again. I'm done for the day. We took 2 trades earlier with the VIP signal group over here. Quarters, beautiful buy over there. Big trade. Now a small little scalp trade, not too bad. But yeah, I'm out for the day, guys. I'm done for the day. Incoming? No, bro. No, we are out. We are out. Look at this 5-minute bearish candle closure. Is not what you want to see. You don't want to obviously buy there. A quick scalp, TP1 hit and out. Literally. I was in buys at 5205. 52. Amazing, bro. That means you got some nice big blues with us, bro. That means we all made some nice money. Shmoney on. I smell money. I smell money. Let's go. Let's go. Lovely, man. Let's go, guys. Will we trade again? If it does come down to here, then maybe, bro. If it does come down to here, then maybe. If not, we're going to leave it, guys. Could we possibly buy at 2190? What do you mean 2190? Yes, at 5190, maybe, yes. We have to wait for it to get here and then have a rejection, then look for a buy. Yes. So now what happens with my Comit capital account? If it's 10 minutes, then you have to hold your trade for 10 minutes, bro. So it's almost been 10 minutes. So hopefully you can hold for 10 minutes and hopefully you'll be back at some profits, then you can close, bro. That's why we say get a Comit capital funded account, but make sure it's a classic account. A classic account will do you wonders because you can scalp there, bro. VIP, you forgot. Jamal, bro, I'm not going to send out this trade to VIP because it was literally a trade for 3 minutes, bro. It was a quick scalp trade here just for the live stream. That's why I never send it out to the VIP signal group, bro. Can we enter buyers? No, we are done, bro. We already hit TP1. Exactly, Cash. So the trade was way too fast for the VIP group, bro. The trade was extremely fast for the VIP group. I did not want to do that, bro. I cannot do it to my people. I cannot say buy and then close it in 2 minutes. On the stream I can because it's just to scalp with margin call. So yeah. Pillows don't enter. Exactly. Pillows do not enter, bro. Don't enter. Don't enter. Don't do it. Don't do it to yourself, man. Don't do it to yourself, bro. Will there be more trade today for the VIP? I don't think so, bro. We got a banger trade earlier. There's no need for us to trade anymore, bro. How much is VIP? Is 300 Rand for a month. 300 Rand for a month. I blew my 374. How, bro? How did you blow your account? That makes no sense, bro. Everyone here made money. Everyone here made money, bro. Well, then again, you have outdone yourself. Perfect, bro. Once again, alhamdulillah. Shukr unto Allah for that. He gave me the skill. Beautiful. RCG12, how do you blow your account, bro? How is that even possible? We literally all made money, bro. Literally all of us made money, bro. Literally all of us. How did you blow, bro? How did you blow? Crazy work. But yeah, with that being said, my people, we are going to be signing off. Like I said, the market's not really moving anywhere. You can see from when I came on the stream over here, right, it barely moved. It just came down. It didn't give us any good moves. So with that being said, my people, I'm going to be signing off for today. I will be back again tomorrow, of course, at the same time, 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock I will be live again, guys. 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock. So yeah, 3 p.m. from now on, guys. 3 p.m. is the new time for the stream. Make sure you guys note that, guys. 3 p.m. My SL hit, can I buy again? No, bro. You know, XS is fast. That's why we don't use XS, bro. We don't use XS. We use space markets, bro. Space markets the best. My SL hit, how did your SL hit, bro? We made sure that we had TP1 hit and SL to entry, bro. So yeah, with that being said, people, I'll be signing off for the day. I'll see you guys again tomorrow for the next stream. 3 o'clock, guys. 3 o'clock tomorrow. 3 p.m. tomorrow. And also 10 a.m. tomorrow. Marcelino, 10 a.m. Myself at 3 p.m. Make sure you guys are there to make profits with us again for 100% free, guys. But yeah, with that being said, I am signing out. I'm going to go to the gym now. And then I'm going to go home, break my fast. I'm hungry today, guys. I won't lie to you. But yeah, thank you so much for watching again. I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Have a blessed rest of the guys' day and afternoon and evening. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Boom.